ever wondered how some people get top dollar for their home when selling and others not so much? I wanted to share some insider tips and tricks to help you maximize your profits and make the selling process as smooth and stress-free as possible. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time seller, these tips are guaranteed to help you get the best possible outcome. First and foremost, it's important to choose the right real estate agent. I'm a bit biased as a top agent, but seriously, having an experienced, knowledgeable agent on your side can make or break the sale of your home. I could stop at just that tip, but I won't. Next up, you want to ensure your home is in tip-top shape before putting it on the market. This means fixing repairs, giving it a deep clean, and sometimes freshening the paint. Proper staging ensures a great first impression on potential buyers. Pricing is also key. Overpricing your home can be detrimental to getting exposure to buyers, but you also don't want to sell yourself short. The right agent will be able to help you determine the right price, or what I call that sweet spot, based on recent sales in your area, current market conditions, and your neighborhood's demand. Finally, be prepared to negotiate. Even with a staged and well-priced home, there may still be some back and forth when finalizing the sale. An experienced agent with negotiation expertise will be able to guide you through the process and make sure you get the best deal possible while still keeping the deal together. Well, there you have it. If you follow these tips, you'll be on your way to getting the best price and experience when selling your home. If you are thinking of selling, give me a shout so we can get together a game plan for maximizing your profits. And if you know anyone buying or selling a home, I'm always here to help and would love to be a resource for them. Thanks for watching.